Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. It's Teresa here, and today we're gonna have a look at the Artemis 2 space mission, and I wanted to document that using the Rachel Jefferies Stellar and Friends digital collection. And so a couple of weeks ago when they landed back on Earth, River called me, messaged me that day, and said, "Mom, you just gotta watch this. You just gotta watch all this incredible footage." And they're splashing down today, and they said they were just gonna watch it the whole day, and they did, in between classes and everything. And so I wanted to document, first off, how River stopped me in my tracks and called on me to follow along that day. And I did as much as I could. I missed the actual splashdown, but I wanted to create a layout for River's album using one of the photos that I just grabbed from the NASA live stream itself. And I love this capture because it shows the Earth behind it and the Artemis spacecraft itself. And that perspective is really gorgeous. So I added a really simple little frame in Photoshop to that photo, just to help it stand out from the background a little bit. And then I also printed and cut one of the frames from the collection. You can also see my digital background that I've printed. And I just want to say that there are so many things about this background that make me so happy. A couple of design notes. You'll notice that a lot of things follow a horizontal line a little bit below the center line of the layout. And specifically, there's a pattern paper with that kind of yellow-green circle on the left-hand side that leads you to the photo, which is in a horizontal orientation. The blue mixed media element above that, and the journaling, which also follows a very horizontal line. And then ending with this beautiful map drawing that is a digital stamp or mixed media element in the Stellar and Friends collection. And all of these things are accentuated by these gorgeous clouds in the collection. And I could just repeat those clouds over and over and over again. I added just a very few printed elements, the tab for the date, the sprinkle of stardust, word art there, the stars aligned, endless possibilities at the top, and then also guided by the stars word art and the purple ticket. And that completes the layout. It was so fun to pull this together. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've been inspired. I will have links to the product down below for you, and I will see you back here again real soon. Thanks again. Bye-bye.